Assalamu alaikum students of class 7, how are you? First of all, I would like to congratulate you on your promotion. You are in a new class, a bigger grade. As you all know, I am Miss Ira Masoor and I will be teaching you SST this year. So look at the book. I hope you bought, most of you have bought your book. So this is the secondary social studies for Pakistan, which is recommended to be taught in class 7 to you. Okay students, as you all know that social studies used to be a boring subject, but we make it enjoyable, amazing and fun subject in class. But it's not only a fun subject, you have to absorb all the content that is taught to you in class, and I expect you to be very vigilant, very responsible. You know that schools have been closed because of the pandemic situation in our country. The increasing number of cases has brought an alarming situation again. So the government has decided to close down the schools for a limited period of time. Inshallah, we'll be meeting soon in classes. But we all coped very well with the situation. Last year हम लोग expect नहीं कर सकते थे कि हम किस तरह इतने scattered students के साथ और इतनी दूर teachers हों, classroom environment ना हो. How will we be able to convey the knowledge to students or make them go through this year, the study year, without bringing a big loss to them? So we all coped with the situation, and now you are in the next grade. So I expect you to be very vigilant, to not waste your time at homes, and be very responsible in doing all the assignments that have been given to you in the online classes. So let us come to the content of your book. इसी बुक का आप लोगों ने सेकंड जो फर्स्ट पार्ट था वो आप लोगों ने 6th क्लास में किया. The difference was that the class 7 book is related to the social studies of Pakistan. That is, the history portion and the geography portions are related to the Muslim world and the Pakistan, the situation of Pakistan before partition and after partition, the conditions after partition. So the geography is related to the geography of Muslim world, the climatic conditions, the agriculture, that is all related to the Muslim world, the minerals that are found mostly in the Muslim countries, and then the industrialization, trade, commerce, transportation and environment of the Muslim world. Then we come to the history portion. As you know कि 6th class में हम लोगों ने history portion में the spreading and beginning and spread of Islam in the subcontinent पढ़ा था, with the arrival of Muhammad bin Qasim in the subcontinent, and he brought a Muslim rule and the changes that he brought in the subcontinent. So in this year we are going to be learning something about the history of the steps towards the independence of India, the subcontinent, and the creation of Pakistan. So you will be reading something about the main personalities like Qaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal, and their role in the independence movement of the independence, and the steps towards independence that were the different pacts, different agreements between the Hindus and the Muslims and the British rule, and the human rights and everything that is related to the last steps towards the independence and the Pakistan movement. So hoping for a good year, hoping to enjoy studying and teaching social studies of Pakistan with you people, and I wish that I could be positive, I could play a positive role in making you absorb the contents of this book and the things that I want you to know and learn about our country and about the past of all the partition movement that was undertaken by different leaders of our country. So we will be starting our proper studies from the next lecture. So and that is, let us hope for the best. Allah Hafiz. That is all for today.